I heard that even the best of friendships can come apart in high school. But that couldn't happen to us, right? Promise me that no matter what happens, we will always stick together.
Dear best friend, I hope that you're good. Genuinely good. Since you've been gone, it has not been easy. But I want to say thank you. Even though it broke me into a million pieces when you left, I want to say thank you. Even though I miss you every day, I want to say thank you. Thank you for inspiring me to face my fears. You make me want to be better. You make me want to work on myself. And even though doing this without you by my side is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, I'm doing it. And I wish you could see me. I wish you could be here to see me transform into this new person. But you're not here. I just hope you're proud of me. I'm not mad. I'm just in pain.
You're my family. What is you is me. There's nothing that you could ever say to make me let go.
Sky, you're my best friend. Okay, and I need you.
But I will still conquer the world, no matter where you are. I will stay strong and stand tall, because I know you wouldn't want to see me fall. Whatever success I'm celebrating, I will always think of you first, because you're my biggest inspiration. And I want you to be proud of me. But I want you to always remember. I hope you remember my words when you feel alone. I hope you remember all the words I told you when you were down on yourself. And I hope you'll find the strength to pick yourself back up if you ever fall. I know you can. I know you will. The person I saw inside of you can handle it all. You're strong. You're intelligent. You're wonderful. You can move mountains if you want to. You should believe in yourself, because I believe in you. And no matter what happens, no matter what you do, no matter where you are in the world, and no matter where I am, I will always love you, and that will never change.
Please don't go away. Please. No one's ever stuck with me for so long before, and I don't want that to go away.